Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about what is a class and what is the objects. So let's start. Class and object used to develop a program for in Java. Object is a real world entity such as a pen, table, chair, mobile, etc. An entity that has a state and behaviors that is also called as an object. Object is communicate without knowing any details of other data and code. Object is the instance of a classes. In object, when you create an object, that time you will receive a memory. That time you will receive a allocated memory in area. In object, you can create multiple objects as per the project requirement or developer requirements. In object, you can create an object with new keyword. Example, student S1 is equal to new student in bracket complete and colon semicolon. That is the syntax of a object. You can create a new keyword. Then in object there are three characteristics. First is the state, second is the behavior, third is the identity. In state it is represents the value and data of an object. Second is a behavior. It represents a behavior of an object. Third is the identity. It implements a unique ID. Unique ID is that does not share with the external user. This ID is internally run by JVM. That is all about the objects. Let's talk about class. Class is a collection of objects that is called a class. A class is a logical entity only. It cannot be physical. A class is a template which is used for developing and creating an objects in Java. In class, you can when you create a class, that time there is no memory in class. In class it declares a class keyword. Then in class contents there are many types. First is fields, methods, blocks, nested loops, nested class. In class, you can create multiple classes in a same file. Let's see what is the syntax of a class. First is a class keyword, class. Then class file name. Then in curly bracket there are methods and fields, and curly bracket close. That all about the classes. In this video we have covered what is a class and objects. Thank you.